Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a denim blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, all season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start it up. We've got a rear view backup camera. This one also does come with multi-color ambient lighting, a sail trim, our keys for our infotainment center, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has only 4,976 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmannimports.com.